and the not so perfect cinnamon sugar bagels. Here's the cinnamon sugar. These are gonna be messy. I've never done them this way. Look at that. With mixing in the sugar and the cinnamon. Usually I do it at the end, but I wanted to see if I could get the cinnamon sugar mixed in better. I think they're gonna be delicious, but they've been a mess. So I'm just dividing it into 6 pieces and flatten them out as good as you can. Fold it all in towards the center. And do some push and pulls. Ooh, these are messy. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing. Make a hole in the middle. I do think these will be delicious and pretty after they're baked, but they're messy. Lay it on parchment paper. Sometimes experimenting's great, and sometimes you just make bigger mess than it's worth. Probably would have saved me time doing it my original way. But that's what sourdough's all about, experimenting, seeing what works best for you, what tastes best. And lucky for you, I'm gonna make the mess so you don't have to. Now, however, if they turn out beautiful and delicious, with it all incorporated better, then you may want to make the mess. I'll have to let you know. I'm gonna cover these up and let them sit for 1 hour. Thank goodness for that. That was a hot mess. The cinnamon sugar, I'm just gonna reinforce the holes and then drop them in. Okay, here are about the ugliest brown sugar cinnamon bagels you've ever seen. So we're gonna try to make them a little prettier. They do look really good, like it incorporated really well. So I'm gonna actually top these, and I don't normally do this, just by adding a little brown sugar to the outside. Man, I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of comments with recommendations on these, and I welcome that because mine always turn out delicious. I just keep trying to find an easier way to do it than having to sit and do all 12 of them with the brown sugar and the cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon. Whoa, not that much. Now these are going into a 425-degree oven uncovered. I'll let you know for how long. They're all done. They baked 23 minutes at 425 with no lid. We're gonna let them cool and then we'll cut into them. They've been cooling for about 45 minutes and we're gonna cut into them and try them. We'll do the cinnamon sugar first. Oh yeah, they're pretty. See the swirls? They may not look perfect, but they taste perfect. I don't know, guys. Those taste really good. I just got a jalapeno.
Apple fire.